Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you guys how I store my beans. So guys can see, this is pepper and this is the beans. This is iron beans. So if you want to store your beans, some use chemical like sniper and different chemical. It's not good. This is how I store my beans every year. And this is the season of beans. So if you buy your beans, instead of using sniper or other chemical, different chemical to store your beans because of those small insects that chop the beans, you buy pepper. After you buy pepper, you mix the pepper with the beans inside your jerry can. After you mix them together like this, and you put it inside your jerry can, like maybe 25 liters or 20 liters. You close it very tight. You can use leather to cover the mouth before you use the cover to close it, so that no air will enter inside and nothing will enter inside, like all those small insects that chop the beans will not enter inside. Because that chemical some people use to store beans is not good. Not everybody have patience to wash the beans very well if you are cooking it. Some not even boiling it, they'll just cook it direct and it will cause problem for them. So better you use pepper. So if you want to cook, you just fish, you select the pepper out, then you just wash it and cook your beans, even though you know even parboil it and throw away the water. As far as na pepper, you wash it with cold water before you cook it. Nothing will happen. As far as no chemical that I use it and store it. So this is how I store my beans every year. That's why I'm showing you guys. It's very good. Don't use chemical to store your beans. This is the season of beans. Everybody is buying this now to store. Use pepper. Don't use chemical. Chemical is not good. Sniper, imagine sniper. It's not good. Some use one kind hard chemical like that. It's not good. But when you use pepper is very good. And if you use pepper, your children will eat, even though they didn't parboil it before then cook it. Do not do anything. You just wash it from the beginning. If you didn't parboil it before cooking it, it's not even bad. But that chemical, you have to wash and wash and wash. You wash all the protein away before you cook the beans. Wetin the beans will give you for body again. So it's better you use pepper to store it. So this one I'm doing now, it can dey 1 year, nothing will happen to it. If I put it inside my jerry can and keep it today for 1 year, nothing will happen. Nothing will enter inside. Anytime I fish it, the thing will be very clean and nothing will happen inside. So anything I do, I would like to share with you guys. Stop using chemical. Use pepper to store your beans. This is the season of beans. Pepper is not cost. If you don't have money, you buy small, like this size, then tie it 100 naira. Can see? Then tie it 100 naira. You can buy the one your power reach to put. So you can buy 1,000, buy 1,500, 2,000. Like this I'm using now. I bought 2,000 naira home. And I didn't finish it. So the pepper is plenty. So please stop using chemical to store beans. Use pepper to store beans. And if you use pepper to store beans, you see the difference and you like it. If you have been using chemical, stop it this year. Use pepper to store beans. And your beans will come out very clean. Nothing will happen to it. And if not for sell, you can sell it. If not for eat, you eat, nothing will happen. Stop using chemical. Use pepper to store your beans. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Anything I do, I share with you guys. And if I do another one again, I will share with you guys. Please subscribe. I know you guys have been trying for me. Continue to help me subscribe, comment, and share. We meet again in my next video. I love you guys. Bye.